Hello, Ma'am Cha, and hello, everyone. So, I will discuss transportation management while traveling from Caloocan City to Terminal 2 of NAIA flights with Philippine Airlines. Efficient transportation is crucial for enhancing passenger experience and ensuring timely arrivals. First, let's discuss route planning. So, on January 15, we'll be using our personal car to travel from Caloocan City to Terminal 2. So, to avoid traffic, we plan to leave by 11 p.m. to reach the airport 12 or 1 a.m. for our 3 a.m. flight to Cebu. So once at the airport, there's an airport shuttle bus that will take us directly to the Philippine Airlines. Now let's break down the estimated expenses for our trips on January 15 to January 19. So transportation to Naiya. Fuel costs will be like 800 or 700 pesos. Caloocan to Terminal 2, 700 pesos. Upon arrival in Cebu, we'll be renting a service car for 4 days at 2,000 pesos. So total of 8,000 pesos. This is cost effective for us as ride sharing services like Grab, like InDrive are not available in the province. So renting a car allow us to transport ourselves conveniently. So from January 15 to January 17, we will stay in North Cebu. So visiting our relatives. Then we will transfer to South Cebu to join in the Sinulog Festival. Our first destination in North Cebu will be to visit the market and fast food establishment which are essential since our relative's house is far from these amenities. For January 15, 700 pesos. For January 19, 8,000 pesos. So service car rental for 4 days. So overall transportation cost will be like 8,700 pesos for both trips. Now let's talk about scheduling. Coordinating our travel times with our flight schedules is essential. So for our January 15 flights at 3 a.m., leaving Caloocan no later than 11 p.m. ensures we have enough time for check-in and security. While in Cebu, January 15 to January 17, we will spend time in North Cebu with relatives before transferring to South Cebu. We will join in the festival which is the Sinulog during our time there. For our return flight on January 19 at 10 p.m., plan to return to the airport by 8 p.m. So, renting a car in the Cebu province provides the flexibility I need for these travels. Lastly, let's address common challenges. Traffic congestions is often a concern, particularly around airports and during festival. To navigate this effectively, I'll monitor live traffic conditions through apps and have alternate routes in mind. So in Cebu, since there are no ride-sharing services, having the rental car will be invaluable for exploring visiting our relatives. It will help us reach places like fast food restaurant and market in North Cebu and facilitate our transfer to South Cebu for the Sinulog Festival without any stress. Effective transportation management is vital for a smooth journey from Caloocan City to Naiya Terminal 2 and during our stay in Cebu. Planning our routes, estimating costs, scheduling wisely, preparing for challenges, so I can assure a hassle-free travel experience. So thank you so much for watching. Bye!